Okay. So today we have from Japan, the architect and designer Yuji Tanabe. I met him for the first time during the winter holidays in Kamakura. He has a studio in Kamakura, and it is the city where I live with my wife. She's Japanese. And it has been really a pleasure to go to his studio. And in his studio, he has amazing models of houses and projects, but also furniture. So he is able to cover from the smaller objects to a complete building. And what is special about that is that his interest in the materials, the texture. So there is something minimalistic, but at the same time, in my opinion, also something sensual about the material, that you have to be there and touch the surface and understand the curves, the lines, both of the chairs, for example, but also of bigger structures. So I'm very happy and honored that Yuji Tanabe-san is here with us. And I think that all of you from the art and design department, but also if you are not a designer, you can get more understanding about the creative process, how he starts his projects and how he develops his projects, taking care about the reality of the place, the material that he can find on the place, but then how to evolve over that into something more experimental, something more, let's say, into the fantasy, but still it is possible to build it. So thank you so much. And then I leave to you to your PowerPoint and presentation. Thank you again.
Okay, thank you. Hello everybody. I'm Yuji Tanabe, architect. Can you hear? Okay. Okay. At first, I'll introduce my small office in Kamakura. I'll show you. Can you see? Here is our office, the first floor. And the first floor, there are some models. Models. This model now going project, renovation project. These are material samples, and this project now constructing in Greece, in Athens. And this is a police station's model. It's a housing project. This is a stool and a small house, apartment, very small shop. This is a very big scale house, surface house. Can you see the interior? And this is a very small 40. Almagro. Almagro. It's named Almagro. And commercial building. And this is a small kitchen. And upstairs is a working space. And there are some PC. And this street, shopping street, not so big. I'll show you. Yeah, shopping street. And you can see the kindergarten. This is our office. And next, I'll introduce my works. The furniture and the house and the commercial building. Oh, and I have to I have to. Can I can't sharing. Okay.
Laura, can you maybe from your computer give him the access, because I think it is. Laura, can you hear me?
Trying to understand, but because he's participant, he should be able to share the screen.
Because it's Samsung computer.
No, it's my computer.
Okay.
Co-host, make host. I think you should be able now.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Just a moment. Okay, just
you,
a
Laura.
moment. Just a moment, please. Yes.
Perfect.
This is Kamakura. Kamakura has a sea and mountains, and Kamakura was the capital of Japan about 800 years ago. So it takes about 60 minutes from Tokyo by train. So now I'm teaching in the two university in the Tokyo. It is very useful on and off, and the lifestyle is very slowly. I like this town, and I born in this town, and now my parents are living in this town. My brother too. Yeah, very closer, very familiar town. And this is my biography. I graduated master of the architecture Shibaura Institute of Technology in Tokyo, and I worked at the building environment workshop, and it is a very small atelier architecture office. And you can see this photo, and this is the Tokyo International Forum. And my ex-boss, the owner of the building environment workshop, she is Sachi Isaka. She worked on this project, a very huge project. And next, I worked at the FOA, Foreign Office Architects in London, United Kingdom, from 2006 to 2008. And FOA, the famous as a designed this building and ferry terminal, Osanbashi, in Yokohama, International Passenger Terminal. It is a huge project. So then I came back Japan 2008, and I founded my office. So and about 15 years ago. Okay. So can see our homepage. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
And this time I'll talking about our project using this homepage, our homepage. So and our office did many scale. Now, for example, you can see the stool, and top of the left is a restaurant and a bakery. 650 square meter foot floor, and Chinese restaurant, the vacation, the hair salon, children's center, photo studio, commercial building, and this one and the Flamingo Observation Tower. This is the competition in the UAE. We lose, and hotel project and housing, renovation of the Japanese restaurant. I said the club, and surfer's house, and LL house. This monorail stations, and bakery, a small house, and the big museum, and Corona Electric head office and factory. It is a huge project. And right side, the Armadillo is a very small annex. And the chairs. So the I designed that many types of the building and furniture and products. Okay, let's at first I'll explain this project. This is a bakery and restaurant Sawamura. Sawamura is located in Karuizawa. Karuizawa is a very popular, very famous as a mountain resort in Japan. It takes 1 hour by Shinkansen express train using. So but mountain resorts that sea level is more than about 800 to 10 meter. So it little bit cold, and every winter and this area has a snow. So this is located very center of the Karuizawa town. It has okay. I'll show you map here. This is the map. Can you see this point? And this is the rotary, and the station is here. And this is the Sawamura, and this is the river. So we brought this bakery and restaurant. And I'm sorry.
You're back. You're back. We can see you.
Okay.
We can see
Okay.
you and also photos. It's okay.
Okay. Okay. So this site has many trees, natural tree over 20 meters, and so the people feel the very natural. So I designed this corridor, exterior corridor. I said that this corridor forest walk, so the people can feel the air and a good air and the wind. Very nice course. And this seat front of the kitchen. This is the bakery's kitchen. And this building has two functions, a bakery and restaurant. So there are two kitchens, the bakery kitchen here and the restaurant kitchen here. So this orange line, forest walk. So people always can walk through and by free. So it's a very enjoying. So that sometimes and kids and running this forest walk is a very happy situation. So and this is the main restaurant area, and there is a big void, and in the center of the bar counter, the right side the kitchen, and this is a bakery cellar, and this is the bridge. So and this building built by wooden structure, and only this bridge made by steel work. This is the canopy, no column, so because people see the green. The forest walk in the bridge, the forest walk. This is the cafe terrace above the bakery kitchen. This is above the restaurant area. Yes. This is 7 years ago, almost 7 years ago. Yeah, structured by Udon. And these joint still a little bit special joint. So that it's like steel structure, like a steel structure. So in the standard wooden structure, that this system is more heavy, more strong rather than the standard wooden structure. So the black is a steel frame. Okay, next very small chair. I said pop cloud. This project supported by the Okayama prefecture. Okayama is very famous of the Japanese larch and cedar. So this project we collaborate with that city. So that I designed. Let's see can see this GIF animation. So that it has the center of the wooden crab, main crab. So and some parts and insert. See, this is the and we have 3 exhibitions using this tool. This is a Tokyo, and we designed using the rhinoceros, the 3D modeling, and this is the making. So that wood log the rotating.
Yuji-san, sorry, we cannot see the YouTube video.
Oh, really?
No,
Okay.
Unfortunately, it is just black.
Oh, okay.
I think because it's, yeah.
It's too heavy.
Maybe, yes.
Okay, let's see only the photo. Can you see this GIF
yes,
animation?
Yes, we can
okay.
we can see the GIF. It's good. Thank you.
Okay. So and the child using the play in the like toy and I can say that this is the body that sleeping. So adult and is sitting like that. little bit smaller. This is the detail. So this hole is very nervous. We designed that using the line of a triangle error, and we make the 2D drawings and send to this factory, and she cutting like that. And this is some of the studies, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and to the 21. So, and we tried the grid and the count of the number of the parts. So we adjust the shape form. So then why we said that the pop cloud and that Okayama prefecture and in the Maniwa city has sometimes a unkai. Unkai is a cloud seep, so a little bit mountainside. So my imagine it's like a kinto from the cloud sea. Okay, the next is a very small project too, and only 9 square meter. And you know the capsule toy. This is the capsule toy shop, and located in our shopping street. So from here, the only 3 minutes.
Yes, I remember. every day I was passing in front of it. Yes, many people buying the toys. Yes.
Yes. So and this time I designed this. How can I say lattice, and main capsule size and 4 type. So I designed that pitch and sets the 4 type. So the people get toy and almost people, how can I say, it's goodbye. So but so how to get back, how to correct that empty capsule. And one more action, I put the two mirror on each side, so the space we can feel the space is continuous. Next, and we can see the circle, and this circle size is a different type than both sides. So that it's a little bit strange. People can feel the strange lengths, like that. So the two sides has a mirror and orange ring and 1.8 meter, and yellow ring 1.8 meter, and orange ring and 1.4 meter, and reflect the people the eyes that want the adjusting, little bit strange feeling. So this is the lattice drawing. Okay, next, this one. This is we call it the twins MDF, and last month now, and this chair selected permanent collection in the Chinese Museum, and Sustainable Design Museum. So that exhibition will start after 2 weeks. Yeah. So the last month I packaging send to the China this blue version. And this concept using the one board, and from one board, four chair made by one board. For example, this is a, and I said that this is a frame chair and this is a surface chair, and solid and frame. And so, and for example, this is and the frame is a frame chair's backboard, and inside this is a surface chair's backboard, and this seat, and so, and it's like a puzzle. So I designed using the rhinoceros. So this is the making. You can see it. So a little bit small. So the dash is take off the here. So, and assemble like plastic model, like Lego. So it is a very fun to make. So the frame chair for the adult, and surface chair, the kids, and more small one for the door. So, and this, and so this, so I designed this chair. Waist is very small, and this one that almost over 70% using for the parts. It's a very sustainable design. Now I have this black one. So the older parts easy to the assemble. So that photo using the two color, the blue and the black. This is the black. So, and this is the MDF materials, MDF, and its color has and red and yellow and green. So the very we will change the more colorful. So little bit heavy and strong. So that we designed these hole deep. So, and that, and this is the cut by CNC router. That and drill wide decided. So the 6.235 millimeter. So that we have to calculate that ridge. So that's
sorry to interrupt. So that you do not need glue, you do not need the nails. You just it's just perfect. It goes. You build it like this. It's very sustainable, as you say.
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And again. So next one. Housing project. Weekend house. Located in Karuizawa again. That the same of Samura. So the mountain resort. This is a annex. The main house and this side, and there are two houses, the main house, and this is the annex. And we call this house long roof house. In Japanese, naganagare house. And it has a big roof and 20 meter. So, and this side has so many trees, similar project. And you can see that this rock, we took this site from site. And this is the carport space. So, and first floor and the ground floor is a reinforced concrete, made by reinforced concrete. And from second floor structure, the wooden structure. And this is the first floor's room. And the client has and two big dogs. So the first floor, the flooring is a stone finish. And you can see the Japanese window. We said that shoji. And this reinforced concrete, we can see the pattern of the cedar. So the parallel line. This is the toilet using the tile. So the over there, we can see the main house between the courtyard. This is the entrance hall. Above the window, that window of the restrooms window. It's a very good vertical space, entrance hall. This is the bathroom. So, and the client want to see from the bath, and the client want to find the sunshine, sunrise. So the left side is the east side, so that people can see the sunrise. This is shower room, and this is the main room. It's not living room. It's like a hotel's room, and only bed and the dining table, and sofa, and the mini kitchen, and the huge balcony. This is the mini kitchen. So the first floor, the reinforced concrete, and second floor, the wooden structure, mixing. Okay. The next project. 10. This is a Chinese restaurant, and I designed the only facade renovation. They want more feel the Chinese, so I selected the Chinese pattern and made by very thin steel. It's like a little bit Tetris. So and this is the main entrance, and this is a takeout. So it's a very thin steel plate. Always we use this material for the roof, but this time using the like this ornament. So he is a very good craftsman. とても上手. So and this is the parts. And this material is very thin, but people walking this work side and that degree that changing, so that this thing changing the more depths, we can feel the depths. And some parts sides are same. It's for the low cost. Okay. Next project. Vacation site Karuizawa. So the Karuizawa 2. And now we have 3 projects in Karuizawa. Yeah. It's a vacation building. And main building is a renovation, the conversion. And before Italian restaurant. And the right side, it's a newly 40. So this is the opposite side. Site has a roundabout in Karuizawa. So it's a 40 and the building. So this site has many tree and the flower, very nice natural environment. So and this 40 has made by 6 surface. So the people rest here and talking and chatting. It's like a big bench, and it has a counter. This is a main building, and it's a entrance hall. So this column is old one. So and this building has 3 workspace. We said site, and so the site 1, site 2, site 3. This is site 1. It is good for the meeting and the lecture. And this is the site 2. It is good for the private works. And these are whiteboard. And this is wood deck for the only site 2. It's a site 2. And this is a site 3. Site 3 is located in the 2nd floor. And site 3 has a kitchen too. So, and sometimes people cooked and make the connection of the team built. And it has a small cafe. Yeah, and Karuizawa has many fog. So it's a very amazing situation. Okay, next one. This is a hair salon. Hair atelier Bruno. And this time we used the log. It's 6 centimeter. There's so many log, and they make the partition, bench, and the reception. It's a same material. And these are aluminum plate. So that these furniture almost we assembled and do it yourself, DIY, by DIY. And like this anchor, it's DIY. So this project, I would like to connect to the landscape design, to the interior design, so that we can touch the exterior wall, the border of the site. So that we put this log like a fence. So this is the continuous and the smoothing and the continuous interior. This is a very important theme. And these aluminum parts cutting by laser machine. So the very current size, so that we can, and these wood cutting by CNC router. So these two material very good fit. No play, and very good fit. So for example, this counter top is aluminum, and under is this wood. So the very fitting. So because it made from the same data in 2D drawings. It's very interesting. And this is a hanging system of the mirror. This aluminum thin 1.5 millimeter. So we can bending very easy. So these joint the same system. So the bending, and drill, the bending, drill. And these, how can I say, I don't know, the joint. It's a very original hinge. So they're using the aluminum pipe and aluminum plate. This is the anchor and hanger. You will watch this YouTube, and you can see the making and this furniture. Okay. Next one. This is a big project. It is a proposal and willows. This is a children's center and near the Tokyo, and it has a playground and a playroom and gym for sports and library and complex building. And this is a very big ground for baseball and soccer. And this river is a very famous river, Edo River. So that we designed a little bit similar ship, so that this building will open every day. Very small children and after school children using this building. So we have to design the landscape and landmark, so that we selected the ship form. This is the inside, and there's a big stair space. They using the play and using the some theater and musical. This is a library area. So we divide the silent area and the noisy area. It's a gym. So the first floor has a big table, and it is good for the rainy day and the night. And so this is our proposal panel. So we designed these can I say, and root of the people, the root, and this is the facility, and this is the using this big step for the some musical and more private and exhibition. This is the landscape design. This is the structural design. This is the facility. Okay. Anyway, okay, and next one, the small one. And this building located in Kamakura, and about 10 minutes from by our office. Its shop is Matryoshka and wood toy and photo studio. So this time I selected this frost glass, so that because it is good for and it can control the volume of the lighting. And roadside is a window shop. This is a Matryoshka and Japanese wood toy. We said kokeshi shop. So the very, very, very small shop. I did this building design. And this building designed by Kobu Nakamura. Now he is 70 years old. He is very famous architect in Japan. Very minimalist and very he's designed a very good proportion. So they're using the shoji, and you can see this right side. It's a silver. It's a Japanese paper. We call the washi. So that so many and the different range of the deflect space, and we test the how can I say, the light of the volume through the glass type of graphs. Okay. And this building located in Kamakura too. And it has now it has a 8 tenant. Right side, first right, curry shop, and deep. This here is a Japanese restaurant. Here is a cafe. Here is now moving, and here is a Japanese tea shop, and here is the sake shop, liquor shop, and here is a hair salon. So the one tenant is about 20 square meter. So the very compact commercial building, and it has a courtyard. It is good for the neighbor people and local people. Sometimes the local people having the party, having the festival, using this courtyard. So this facade has a double roof because this street is a famous street in the Kamakura, and there are some old building, very Japanese style building. So its building almost has a double roof. So we put this double roof and the continuous this line, but as the first floor is a little low. So this material, the Japanese cedar, it's from Kanagawa prefecture, the same prefecture. So we went to go the mountain, in the mountain, so that we selected, we wanted this wood. So the stair made by wooden too. So the middle of the building, here is a not double story. So the light is coming to the courtyard. So here is a flat. So the courtyard not dark. This is the inside. And the inside we put the column and the beam, the offset. So because this commercial building and the interior always we can touch. So always we selected only the board, but this building and people can feel that some same theme, some same concept. So this structural system and offset is the same for each unit. So the people can feel the same atmosphere if go to the next tenant, next shop. And adjusting the window and same position to the window into the planning, so that people can hear, they can see the next building, the interior. This is the first floor, and these wooden skin were made by this structural wood. So it's a sustainable design too. This is the night time. This is the festival time. Okay. Next, this is a competition in Dubai, UAE. And this is the program is the Flamingo Observation Tower. So we inspiration from the leg of the flamingo. So and keeping this angle. So and the height will be height is changing, but keep this angle. So these joint parts and using the every unit. And we simulated the window. This is a detail. And, okay, housing project. The Petanco House 2. Petanco House 2 located in Nagano. We not, how can I say, the center of Japan, but on the mountainside. So sometimes it has snow like that. And now Petanco House 3 is ongoing in the Texas, in United States. It's a very simple shape, house shape. This is the inside. It's made by Japanese larch. It's a local consumption. So this flooring is Japanese larch. This column and beam and exterior wall is the same material. So this living located north side, but this Petanco house has this big dormer. We call it the dormer above the rooftop glass. So this is the south side. So the living room not so dark. Sunshine coming through the dormer, big dormer, giant dormer. This one. The kitchen and tatami room and bathroom. And this is the second floor. It's for the master bedroom and kids room and void. So the last weekend I stay here. So the client is a landscape designer and my friend too. So our family stay here last weekend. Very nice. and very warm by this stove. This is the summer season. And now we are designing the more small house or annex around here. Yeah, maybe probably next June or July, construction will start. And this is very good space, and this long roof under the roof. Then we can eat the morning if it has the rainy, and no problem. So then this garden, and it's his site. So that he's a landscape designer. Now that he's testing his original garden. This door, the little funny material. It's an aluminum material, and you can see some checking. It this pattern made by hammer. Don, 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 don. So, okay, the last one I'll show you. Not Petanco House 2 and the Petanco House 1. It's a same size without big elbow. So, and same giant dormer. So this client, furniture designer, he designed craftsman, furniture craftsman. He made the table and the chair, and the material is the same, and Japanese large. And the floor and the column, same. And the plan is a little bit different, but almost same concept. So the lighting coming from giant dormer. Okay, that's all. Almost 1 hour. Kana? Okay.
Yuji-san, can you hear me?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, wonderful. I think that there is one point that is common in your design. It is the space between the parts. So, for example, the space between the logs outside the house, inside the house, the hair salon project, but also inside the other projects in Kamakura, where it is the columns are offset, the offset style.
Yeah,
I think it's very important in your design, and also the material, so the natural material, the wood that you can find in locally in the place where you are.
Yeah.
And I think also the relationship with the trees outside or the snow outside. So I can see that there is always this relationship between the inside the house, outside the house, and the weather condition. How is the weather outside and inside the place? It's I think it's very interesting for the students to understand this relationship, and also how to use the material. That sometimes they do not need to go far. They can use what they have already here.
Yeah.
Just looking just looking at the nature outside the windows, I think. But also another important point, I think, for the art and design students, that using 3D software is important. So you mentioned it, that you use Rhinoceros.
Yeah.
Am I correct? Yes, Rhinoceros. And also I guess also Illustrator, maybe for the laser cut, maybe for the
Yeah. Very useful.
Yeah, so I think it's important for our students to understand that they have also 2D and 3D software to create the objects, but at the same time also doing by hand. So many of the part of your architecture and furniture, it is both using the 3D software and then the laser cut or CNC machine, but also by hand together.
Yes.
It's very interesting. So let me check if there is Laura, our colleague, or someone else.
Thank you very much. It was very interesting, very beautiful work. So very inspiring for all of us. I have a question on behalf of the students of Studio 3. So they're about to start for the first time a project about architecture. So during the semester, we did a lot of studies of one iconic architecture, which is the Rotonda Villa from Palladio. And now they need to reinterpret that architecture to create their own space. Now we ask them to start the concept phase with a painting that they can then use to create their own architecture. Where do you normally find the inspiration for your architecture? Like before you even start your first sketch, how do you get inspired? So that do you have any suggestion for the guys on how to start, where to get the idea basically? How does it work for you?
So usually I'm of course sketching and of course using the Rhino and making the model and the different. I think it is good for the different. How can I say the different? So that 2D and the hand drawing and the computer, so the mixing it is good for the inspiration. So that I can.
For you, the sketching part is very important at the beginning of the project to sketch and draw.
Yes. And try and error, and study.
Good. Thank you very much, guys. Any other question that you have for the architect? Anybody? No, I think we are all overwhelmed with the beautiful image that you show us. So for the moment, we don't have any other question. Mauro, how about your group?
Do you have any questions for our guest? They are very shy. My class is shy.
Yeah, Japanese too.
In Japan too, right?
Yeah.
The students are very shy.
Yes.
Okay, so I think that no, we don't have more questions from this classroom. Laura, do you have something else?
No, all good. I think we are good. It's like it was very clear.
The only question I have for Yuji-san is, which is going to be your next project? Which is next? Yes.
So the last month we won the project in the Philippines, in Manila, little bit big commercial project, commercial buildings project, and maybe the people feel that after COVID-19, so the end of the last year, now we have some project and restaurant project and housing project.
So the next big project is going to be in the Philippines.
Yes.
You should stop in Hong Kong on the way to Philippines to come and visit us in school.
Thank you.
So thank you so much, Yuji-san. So I hope that I will see you soon live in Kamakura.
Okay.
Thank you very much for sharing your project, and
thank you.
Hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Thank you. Domo arigatou. Bye bye.
Thank you. Goodbye. Ciao.
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 Konnichiwa.
Ciao.